Hello. Today we're going to be speaking about the topic of E2 visas and hiring employees. So on this topic, a very common question that I'm often asked is whether the E2 visa applicant is required to hire employees in order to submit his or her application. And the short answer is no. It's not a regulatory requirement to hire employees. So we'll start off with that point. However, if possible, it is recommended to have employees because that would show that the business enterprise has the capacity to generate enough income to provide more than just the minimal amount of income to support the investor and his or her family. So one way to establish that the business has the capacity to generate more than enough income to support the investor's family is to show employees. However, the regulations do state that if that is not possible, then another way to meet that requirement is to show that the business has the present or future capacity to have an economic impact on the community, for example. So one way to establish that requirement would be to submit a business plan where the E2 visa investor is projecting hiring employees in the future. And the regulations say that the economic contributions have to be realized within 5 years. Therefore, the strategy would be to present a business plan that projects a growth of personnel within the next 5 years. So the E2 investor doesn't have an employee within 1 or 2 or 3 years. It's still not a problem. But by that point, hopefully there's enough income or employees in the business enterprise. So bottom line, employees do not need to be hired before submitting the E2 visa application. If you do have them, great. If you don't, submit a business plan showing a projected addition of employees for the business.